This lightweight ramp can also be used for a recumbent trike. The Titan ramp comes in a great carrying case and is extremely lightweight, with each ramp only weighing approximately 7 pounds. To use the ramp, simply slide each of the rails out from the 4-foot length to the 7-foot and then position them in line with the 2 front wheels of the trike. The ramps have a nice non-slip coating and have ridges on each side to keep the wheels aligned. Loading and unloading is as simple as pushing the trike up the ramp, and then there's the reverse procedure to take the trike out of your vehicle. Couldn't be much easier than that. A great solution by Titan Ramps.
Well, if you ever plan to motor west, don't take my way, that's the highway, that's the best. Get your kicks on Route 66. Well, it winds from Chicago to LA, more than 2,000 miles all the way. Get your kicks on Route 66.
Preparing to make a left turn and head up the ramp to ride along the north side of Highway 44 for the last time.
Gallup, New Mexico, Flagstaff, Arizona, don't forget Winona, Kingman, Barstow, San Bernardino. Won't you get hip to this time to tip and take that California trip? Get your kicks on Route 66.
The ride along Highway 44 is quite scenic. However, the sidewalk is quite bumpy. There are a number of cross streets, and the other factor is they do have to get across 4 lanes of traffic in order to get home.
St. Louis, Joplin, Missouri, Oklahoma City looks so pretty, you'll see. Amarillo and Gallup, New Mexico, Flagstaff, Arizona, don't forget Winona, Kingman, Barstow, San Bernardino. Won't you get hip to this time of tip when you make that California trip? Get your kicks on Route 66. Get your kicks on Route 66. Get your kicks on Route 66. Get your kicks on Route.
It sure would make some spectacular video if one of those cars would come up over the curb right at me. Hope that doesn't happen though. Now to cross the highway and hopefully not get hit by a car.
Well, if you ever plan to motor west, don't take my way, that's the highway. Phoenix on Route 66. Well, it winds from Chicago to LA. More than 2,000 miles all the way.
By eliminating the 3 miles to the bike trail and the 3 miles returning, it will give me 6 more miles that I will be able to ride on the bike trail of my choice.
This has been an OMF video production.